Video for today, and please don't forget to hit likes, subscribe, and hit notification bell so that you will be always notified on our next video. And you may also follow our Facebook page, Negosyo Recipes. Thank you for watching. God bless and bye bye.